pipeline. So first of all, we have to convert the questions that we have into vectors, which are lists of numbers. Then we have to watch how a student learns. So we essentially represent the student's inefficiencies and correct answers in a big state vector called S of t. Then we have to pick the next question based upon what what information we currently have and how much more information it will give us. Then finally, we use a fine-tuned setup with ChatGPT 4 Turbo and a RAG assistant to get tutoring for the user. To make a cool-looking UI in Next.js, and I also decided to do a practice diagnostic test that only has 5 questions, so we don't have to watch me solve like 60 calculus questions. I memorized all the answers and stuff. So let's just say I have no clue what the mean value theorem is, and because of that, it's going to try to quiz me on what's called product rule to see if that was just a one-off miss rather than like a conceptual derivative misinfluency. But luckily for this, I know the product rule. It's going to now check integration, which is basically the polar opposite of what it just checked, because I got that one correct. So it's going to try something new to see if I will get incorrect, and luckily for it, I will get it incorrect. And now it's going to, because of that's incorrect, it's going to confirm my skill with the, chain rule. So let's get this question correct. And now let's just get the final one, whatever it throws at us incorrect. So yeah, let's just get this one incorrect. Yeah, cool. So now, oh my gosh, it's almost like it psychoanalyzed me. Hey, look, my blind spot, the mean value theorem. Hey, look, thinking pattern. It's trying to help me think better. Hey, look, next steps, right? And now if we ask it like something along the lines of, why does the MVT require continuity? I cannot spell that. You can see this is the code for my Next.js UI. And here is the code for my little fine-tuner thing. Here is the code for my DQN model, my DQN agent. You can see there's a lot of code. I don't really have the time to explain too much. But yeah, so now let's just talk about some of the little other things that Mr. Poole asked me to answer. So my main issue with this, like the main problem I faced, was just understanding, because this is just so many things, right? Such complicated things required for this project. So to understand everything and research everything was quite hard. ChatGPT really carried hard on that. And in terms of my IDE, I'm using Cursor. This is my setup, I guess. And then finally, in terms of how I would improve my project, there's a lot that could be said, but the main thing that I see right now is that I want it to be like even better about finding resources. I feel like right now it more just like gives you a very brief overview, but like if it can give me like a bunch of 10-minute YouTube videos, that would be very nice. And maybe I could even get it to like analyze the work of a student and stuff. That would be even cooler. So overall, that is my project.